What's up, guys? So I said I'll make another video for my waves because you guys loved this video and it got a lot of views and it keeps getting views over every day, so I had to make an update. So I'm like, what, Roman, you're making a video about waves but you got no waves? Hear me out. I wanted to restart my waves, hence I had to go bold. Like, not go bold as in, cancel whatever. I just shaved all my hair so I can start all over. I was stressed. I've been stressed, but I'm good now. And I was feeling hot. So, because it's December, it's very hot, so I had to cut my hair. But now I'm cool. So, I'll tell you about a few things that you gotta know about waves. Before even we get into the brushing and do-rag and all of that, you gotta know a few things. Firstly, you can get waves in a week. That's possible. It's possible. You can even get waves in like 3 days. If you're good at brushing, you know how to wear do it, you can get waves in 3 days, depending the length of your hair. If you want quick waves, it's best if you have longer hair. If you want permanent waves, it's best if you have short hair, like mine. Waves is just curls that are laying down.
Do a side view. That's the nose, the lips, the chin. All right, cool. Nose, lips, chin. Get an eyeball or something like that in there. That's his head. Short hair, and long hair. So here on this side, we have the example for the short hair. On this side, we have the example for the long hair. Once again, I'm not an artist, bear with me. But just by looking at what I have here on paper, you should be able to tell where I'm going with this. Look at the difference between the scalp, which is here, and the top of your hair, which is here, right? Scalp and the top of your head, right there. Look at the space you have to use. Which one do you think is going to result in deeper waves? The short hair or the long hair? Right off the bat, you should be going with the one with the most usable space. Look, let me just draw some waves in there for you. Boom, like this. Cool. And then look at these waves. Look at these waves. Look at how much deeper these waves are than these waves.
If your hair is like grown already, say 5-6 inches long, then when you lay your hair and then you put the shampoo and whatever else, it's gonna really curl down. You can see the waves, but over a period of time, because that hair, those waves, they are on top of your head, your scalp, they're on top of your scalp, so like they can disappear any time. When you brush, they're just gonna disappear because they're not like deep down on your scalp. But when you got hair short as mine, when you brush, you get actual waves. And whether you cut your hair short, the waves will still appear unless you decide to shave everything like I did. Then all your wave will go. So I'm gonna make another video where I'll be actually brushing my hair and all of it. But in this video, I'm just gonna tell you what to do to get waves. Number one, you need 3 things: a brush, a do-rag, and product. If you don't got expensive products like a shampoo or there's a shampoo with conditioner in it. If you don't have that, you can use normal soap or normal shampoo. It's gonna do. So you only need the 3 things: shampoo or soap, you need a brush, and you need a do-rag. These are the only things you need to do. Once you have these things, these are the things that you should start doing. If your hair is short as mine, just brush every day for a week. You're taking it easy. No need to put the shampoo or the soap. That is for if your hair is grown already. So when you have short hair as mine, we'll talk about the longer hair later on. When you have the short hair as mine, just brush every day for like 5 minutes at least. 10 minutes if you got time, that's up to you. You're brushing your hair consistently with a pattern. Let's talk about the patterns. There's a 360 wave, which is the best, which I like. But this time I'm not doing the 360 waves because of the next reason, which we'll talk about in the next few minutes. And There is a 180 waves, which is just like usually when you have a fade, and then the waves is like going all in front, and then you got the seven. I mean the 570 waves, the one that literally going on the side like that. And then you have the hybrid. I call it hybrid when a waver just have these waves going everywhere, but then its waves is cool, it's clean, but it's just going everywhere. You don't know what that is, but yeah, I call it hybrid waves. So yeah, you need to pick whatever pattern you wanna go with, and you gotta stick to it. Now, remember I told you we'll talk about something later. Now, this is one of the things you need to consider while picking your pattern. You gotta consider your wave, or the way your hair grows. Some people, their hair naturally grows like, going down like this. So when you brush, it's gonna like go with the flow because your hair grows like that. Other people, their hair grows on the side. So you gotta know that I should pick a pattern that's like kind of like goes with the way my hair grows, so that it can facilitate the growth of your waves. So that as time goes on, you don't need to take too much time on brushing. You just know, my hair grows like this, so I just gonna brush like this. If my hair grows like this, I'm just gonna brush like that. If your hair grows like this, you can brush it in front, but then it's gonna be hard, more time consuming, and it's gonna be very hard to maintain, because when the new hair grows in. But you can do what you want, it's your hair. But this is one thing I realized, that I've got hair growing this side, and my other hair is growing that side. So when I try like to brush it in a certain way, it's kind of good, but it fades after sometimes. When I don't maintain my hair, those waves kind of like fade over time. Well, this hair, because I brush the way my hair is supposed to go, I actually don't even maintain it that much, but those waves are. So you should really make sure you check the way your hair grows. It's gonna help you a lot. Afterwards, let's talk about the people with long hair. If you have long hair, this is what you do. You need to brush with either the soap or the conditioner. So you wash your hair 3 times, because of course your hair is a lot, so it gets dirty, it gets build up, sweats, all of those. So you gotta wash your hair at least twice. After you wash your hair twice, now when you put the soap or the shampoo the 3rd time, it's gonna like foam a lot. When it foams a lot, it's gonna help you make the foam. You're gonna use it to lay your hair down, because it's kind of like gonna stick the hair in one pattern, or stick the hair in a specific way that will help you get it over and done with. So you wash it, you brush for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then when the hair waves start appearing, you take your do-rag with the thing just like that, put it on. After you put it on, what you're gonna do is simple. You're just gonna tie it. After you tie it, you have now to wash the soap inside. You heard me? Wash the soap inside of the do-rag. So you close the do-rag, but you put the water so that the thing can come out, because if you sleep with that, it's gonna make dirt. So you gotta wash it with the do-rag. Afterwards, sleep with it for maybe 6 to 8 hours for your hair to dry. If you have a blow dryer, use that. So spend like an hour or 2. If you wanna use natural wind, then you gotta wait for like 4, 6, 8 hours. So a lot of people like to do it overnight. So you do this the night before, so the next morning your hair is dry completely. I hope you liked. Hope it was an interesting video. Hope you liked something, you learned something, and see you on the next one. Chill.